operations you have seen, rules you have read. Now we are going to take examples of those rules which we had seen. First rule was, if we are going to add two rational numbers, if we are going to add like 2 plus 2, what will you get? 4. This will be rational. If we are going to add two irrationals, what will I get? I may get rational, I may get irrational also. Now, under root 3 plus minus of under root 3, what will I get? 0. And under root 3 plus under root 3, what will I get? It will be 2 under root 3. Now, similarly, if I am going to add rational and irrational, what will it be? 2 plus under root 3. 2 plus under root 3, what will you get? 2 plus under root 3, which is always a irrational number. Now, subtraction operation, if I am going to apply on two rational numbers, 7 minus 3, you will get 4, which is always a rational number. If two irrational numbers I am going to subtract, under root 2 minus under root 2, what will I get? 0. And if I am going to subtract under root 3 minus under root 2, what will I get? Under root 3 minus under root 2 as it is. So 2 is a rational number and this is irrational number. So in case I am going to subtract two irrational numbers, I may get a rational number, I may get irrational number also. Now, if I am going to subtract rational and irrational, what will I get? 2 is rational, under root 3 is irrational. I will get 2 minus under root 3, which is always a irrational number. Now, product, multiplication of two rational numbers. It is quite obvious that you will get rational. But if I am going to product two irrational numbers, under root 2 into under root 2, what will you get? 2, which is a rational number. Now if I am going to multiply rational and irrational number, what will I get? 2 and under root 3. I will get 2 under root 3, which is always a irrational number. Now if I am going to divide two rational numbers like 12 and 4, what will I get? 3, which is always a rational number. Now if I am going to divide two irrational numbers like under root 3 and under root 3, what will I get? 1, which is rational number. Now under root 3 and under root 31, if I am going to divide, what will I get? Under root 3 divide by under root 31 as it is, which is a irrational number. Now if I am going to divide rational and irrational, because this is a column of rational and irrational, under root 3 and 2, what will I get? Under root 3 by 2 as it is, which is a irrational number. Now conclusion is like that, if I am going to combine rational and irrational, resultant will always be irrational. Irrational, 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 irrational. Now you can check each and every rule with the examples and do some questions based on this, where different operations have been applied and rational and irrational numbers have been combined, rational and rational numbers have been combined, and irrational and irrational numbers have been combined. I'll give you some exercise. Based on it, do that. Thank you.